Hello and welcome to the Legal Access, where we discuss everything commercial and labor law. My name is Mesha and I'm the founder and director of Mesha Legal Consultant, and this is our very first video on YouTube. Super excited for it. So yes, we'll be doing this every week. We'll be posting a video every Monday where we'll be discussing topics on commercial and labor law, basically everything about that. Well, it can be a scenario, something in the news that relates to these two sectors, anything anything regarding that. I'm super excited, but since it's the first video, I'm sure you understand it's quite overwhelming. But yes, we'll be discussing those two, posting every Monday. And yes, so today I just want to give you a bit of a definition of what a legal consultant is. First of all, legal consultants are not attorneys. I am not an attorney, but I am a lawyer though. So what that means is I have a law degree, LLB, but I did not serve articles and not admitted as an attorney of the court. So what that basically means is that I do not go to court. I cannot go to court because I'm not admitted to go to court. So yes, basically as a legal consultant, what I do is I work with businesses. I look at their structure of the business. We start with the structure basically to see if the business is being run legally, is the owner of the business on the right side of the law, do they comply, do they have permits and all of that. So in a nutshell, I would say we ensure legal compliance for businesses, looking at the two, commercial and labor law. So under commercial law, yes, we'll check the permits, see if there are contracts like with the clients, with the suppliers, and if there aren't, we draft those. And then under labor law, everything labor. Do you have employment contracts? Do you comply with the labor relations? And so on and so on. So yes, we are on a consultancy level. We sit down with the management of a business and discuss such things, like we ensure that you don't find yourself in court or find yourself in a position where you're losing money unnecessarily because you are not doing something right. It's not easy to explain when there isn't a particular scenario, but I'm sure you get it. Yeah, so it's basically that we just ensure our clients do not lose money and that they're on the right side of the law. So yes, we don't want to see our clients in court. We don't want to see our clients being sued. So we make sure that that does not happen at all. We make sure that our clients comply with the law. So yes, an exciting thing that I cannot stop this video without talking about is the workshop that we are having. We're having our very first workshop in August. It is called the Legal Access. The Legal Access workshop, where we'll be talking about commercial law. We're not going to touch on labor law for the first workshop because we want to start at the beginning. You know, how you started your business, where you are right now, before we can go to the personnel of the business. Yes, we'll be discussing that, and we're going to have 3 speakers. I will be one of the speakers discussing commercial law. There will be another speaker that will be discussing finances for businesses. Basically he'll be talking about accounting things, finances that I don't really know much about. And then we will be having a 3rd speaker just basically motivating business people on how they started and where they are now, things to look at, things to not look at. And yes, super excited for it. The workshop is going to be on the 28th of August at Pete's Lodge in Polokwane. Entrance fee is 500 rand. You have to pay before the day of the event so that we can book a seat, know how many people we're expecting, and all of that. And what else do you need to know? I think that's it about the workshop. Well, should there be any questions, be sure to ask on any platform. And yes, super excited for it. We do hope people come. It's nerve-wracking to organize an event, especially now with COVID-19 and everything. So we hope that everything will go well. Super excited to be sharing our knowledge on commercial law and labor law every week on this very channel, and we do hope you enjoy it. So yes, we're going to be doing the usual: hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Yes, if you do enjoy our video, please like and subscribe, tell people about it, tell business people that there's a new plug. There's somebody on YouTube who just talks about things you need to know for your business. So yeah, tell them to come through. And yeah, we'll be talking about commercial and labor law. Hope that business people will learn a lot about how to run their businesses professionally, staying out of trouble. Of course, we can't be doing gentlemen's agreements in 2021, guys. You need contracts. You need to show that you mean business because you are in business, okay? So yeah, well, I talk too much. You'll get to learn that through this channel. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. Bye.